that the data we have may fail to meet certain assumptions that are necessary to carry out a particular test. Let's take for example the normality assumption. Sometimes in carrying out some statistical analysis, it's usually mandatory that what the data we have is what normally distributed. Now, in a case whereby our data set fails such assumption, it becomes necessary for us to do what? Transform the data to make it normally distributed. So in this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to carry out data transformation. Let's take for example now, we have scores for week 1 and we also have scores for week 2. Assuming the scores for week 1 are not normally distributed, and which is one of the requirements for us to carry out a particular test. So if week 1 is not normally distributed, we can carry out a logarithmic transformation on week 1. So for us to carry out a logarithmic transformation for week 1, we go to the transform drop down menu, we go to compute variable, so under this compute variable we have our target variable. This is where we are going to specify the name of our new transformed variable. So we can call as new week 1, we can call as n week 1, n week 1. So we can come to the type label to specify its full name, new week 1. Leave it as new week 1, click on continue. So we want to carry out a logarithmic transformation, which is what under the function group. The logarithmic transformation is actually an arithmetic transformation, so we select arithmetic. Now under the arithmetic we have different arithmetic functions there. We have cos, we have exponential, log 10, log gamma. So for this tutorial, we're going to select ln, which is our logarithmic transformation. Then we'll move it up. So we come to where we have our variables. So we move our desired variable into this bracket here. So our desired variable to be transformed is week 1. So we're going to move our week 1 there. Then we click on OK. Let's go to our data view interface and see what we have. We have our new week 1, as you can see. So this is our new transformed week 1. So a logarithmic transformation has been successfully carried out on week 1. So this is how we carry out data transformation in SPSS. You can as well carry out a cos transformation, that is cosine, sine, arcsine, depending on the requirement to make the data meet the very assumption. So in our own case now, we wish to make our data normally distributed. So for the data to be normally distributed, one of the processes was carry out a logarithmic transformation, which is what we've done successfully on week 1. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Kindly leave your comments and questions in the comment section below.